Number 30, we have a key signature. We have a key signature. We have an F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp. So that's telling me that we're in A major. We are starting on A and we are ending on A. And we are starting with an A major arpeggio. A, C sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp. Okay, so that's what's happening. And then we're throwing in that G sharp underneath of it. So if we do that second, the 2 octave scale, so we're used to that scale here. So that's my A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And so if I were to go backwards, I would have that G sharp, F sharp, E, D, and then we have a C sharp, but we haven't gotten there in that book yet. So I have the A major scale on my page. Okay, number 30. A C C E C C D D B B F G sharp E A C E C D A, and we have a mini scale. And then watch out for that G sharp right there. All right, let's do number 30 with the repeat, because why not? 1, 2, ready, go. 4. Reach for this third finger. Move over. Open A. 4. Regular 3. Leave this here. Reach for that third finger.